Okay guys, time for a new video today. We're headed right now to get some new tires put on JJ. Alright guys, we're back from the alignment shop. That's where I have my wheels and tires always put on or mated together. So here are my new tires I chose to put on the Jeep. I got some mud terrain. I got some that's not very expensive. These are called Achilles Desert Hawk X MT. MT standing for mud terrain. And I really do like them. I'm sure they will get loud. They're not loud right now, but you can tell by the deep tread that they got the potential to be loud if they start wearing funny. But anyway, while I had it at the alignment shop having the tires put on the wheels, I had them to set it on the alignment rack and see if everything was good and squared up, and it was. Looked good. I had a comment in the comment section asking, did I put anything between my fender flares and the paint? Well, the problem that I have had with these very flares was when I drove to work in the rain and dirt and stuff, I would have water and dirt and debris to come up through between the flare and the body, and it just leave dirty spots everywhere. Up through here, it would come through here. So to answer that question, yes, I did put something between the flare and the paint, and I will show you that on this front one. I have a little bit of weather stripping. It has one side of adhesive, and I stuck that side to the flare, and the weather stripping has a hole in it. I stuck it to the fender, and when you bolt your fender up, it collapses that weather stripping and makes a perfect seal all the way down, and it keeps water and dirt and stuff from splashing up on your paint. Your fender flares actually work effectively if you're having trouble with the gap of the fender flares mating to the body and making a good seal. Plus, it'll keep it from rubbing up and down on the paint and scratching the paint. So I did that on all four flares. But anyway, I really do like the way these tires look on these black wheels and on this commando green Jeep. I think the Jeep turned out surprisingly well. I have a lot of positive comments on the last video, and I appreciate that, guys. I put a lot of hard work into JJ, and I sure would have hated him to have been a flop, but I'm actually proud of him. I'm not ashamed to drive him anymore. I'm actually proud to drive him. Everybody around where I live and go to church and stuff, if they see it, they they really like the color and the whole setup. So had a lot of good positive response. I've still got to do a little bit of touching up on some things. I need to take these door surrounds off, take that black paint that I painted the dash with and freshen all this back up, make it look brand new again actually. So anyway, the Jeep is done, all but me doing the little touch-up work like what I just mentioned and a few other little odd-end things. Still got to decide what I'm going to do with that rear tire carrier. Not sure. I mean, I'm liking the way it looks like it is. I have the option to put it on. My fifth tire is not going to match these tires. My fifth wheel don't match these wheels. I'm not going to spend any more money on the wheels and tires right now. I'm done with that. So I will most likely drive it like this for a while, and when I get tired of this look, I will probably put my tire carrier back on and that other wheel and clean them up, and I'll have to paint that other wheel as well. But anyway, the tire carrier's got a little damage. It needs a little bit of welding done to it, and I'm tired of just fixing junk right now. So anyway, Junkie Jeep that's his name still, but he's no longer Junkie Jeep. I'm actually proud of him. I had a couple of new names suggested last week in the comments that was pretty awesome. I appreciate that, guys. So anyway, I have some other project trucks that we've done before I actually started putting these on YouTube, and I'm going to take you and show you one of those right now. It's my nephew's truck. It's a truck me and my brother done for my nephew, and it's a black 95 4-wheel drive Silverado. Had a ton of body work on it, not as much as JJ did as far as me skimming the whole side, but it had a lot of body work on it, and it being black makes body work even more tedious than what I did on JJ, because it shows up everything. So anyway, I want to take y'all over there to my brother's house, and I'm going to show y'all that truck, just a past project we've had. I know a lot of y'all are just car guys in general. I like Jeeps, but I like cars. I like automobiles. It don't necessarily have to be a Jeep. I prefer a Jeep right now just because they're awesome. But I like cars in general. So let's go over there and check out that truck, and we'll see what y'all think about it. Yeah. All right, this is the 95 model 4-wheel drive Silverado that me and my brother did for my nephew. We actually took our sweet time on this one. It took us a year to do this truck right here. It had a lot of body work on it, and it is super straight. Looks really good, super shiny. The reflection in the doors is insane. The door kind of distorts the way I'm looking, but very clear. The hood had quite a bit of body work on it. The inside of this thing has been done. It's got like custom upholstered seats. Looks really good. Got a carpet dash pad on it. Got two 10-inch subs in it. Really nice looking truck for a 95 model. LED tail lights, LED headlights. They Ronnie, my brother, texture coated the inside of the bed and got it looking really good. So anyway, this is just one of the projects we've done in the past. I just wanted to share that with y'all and just show y'all kind of what we do. LED headlights, chrome grille, carbon fiber badge. Just a clean looking truck. It turned out good enough. We didn't want to put any of the badging back on it, like the moldings or the emblems. We just kind of left a black outlook on it. Kind of what we like to do. Alright guys, this is going to be the end of this video. Hope you like my nephew's truck. I believe it turned out pretty good. He's proud of it. Just notice I've had a bird to lay a bomb on JJ. It's even splattered up on the side right there. I need to get that off. JJ's dirty, he needs to be washed, but he's not gonna get it right now. It's late in the day and I'm tired and I'm hot. I can't tell y'all enough how I've enjoyed getting JJ out of the paint shop and driving him to work every day. I really enjoy it. I love these tires. They're not noisy. They may get noisy later, but right now you just hear just a little low roar going down the road, just enough that I can actually appreciate it. I can actually enjoy it. It's not loud, and I've got a soft top and no carpet. So anyway, this is going to be the end of this video. One question for you guys. Y'all leave your response in the comments if you don't mind. JJ's turned out nice enough that I'm actually considering putting air conditioning on him, and let me know what you think. I might actually do that. That would give me a little content for a video later on. I can't really afford it right now, but it wouldn't be too terrible long till I could do something like that. And y'all just let me know, yay or nay. It's hot here in Mississippi, and it's humid. It's not just hot, it's humid as well. So AC would be much appreciated here in middle July and through August. So anyway, y'all, I'll try to have some video content for next Thursday. I don't know right now. I don't have anything planned or anything in mind, because I'm pretty much done with JJ at this point, and I'm just driving him and enjoying him, and don't know if I'll have anything. I'm not going to make junk videos just to have content up. I don't want to waste y'all's time or waste my time. So anyway, maybe I'll come up with an idea of something to do next week that y'all be interested in, and y'all just have your post notifications on, so when I post a new video y'all get notified. And if you like this video, please hit that like button, and if you hadn't subscribed to this channel yet, and I know most of you have, but if you're watching and you hadn't subscribed and you like Jeeps and automobiles and all sorts of car related stuff, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It'll help the channel out a lot. I'll see y'all next time. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.